Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric. This is going to be an unboxing, a demo review of the Andobil Easy Relax Series 360 Magsafe ring with invisible built-in stand case. Yeah, that's a mouthful, and that's because truly this is one of the most innovative cases you are ever going to see. Also in the box you get your little welcome thing, and you get a nice cleaning cloth for your phone to keep the phone itself nice and clean. And here is this case. This is, again, one of the most unique cases you're ever going to see. It has drop protection and all that stuff, but here's what makes it cool. This magnetic ring is capable of so much. First of all, it is fully MagSafe compatible, so it'll work with all of your MagSafe mounts and MagSafe devices. Great, just like your phone would without a case. But in addition to that, this ring is super magnetic, which means this itself will stick to metal or anything that a magnet would stick to. So you can just have your phone in this and stick it on something, it will stay. In addition to that, this pops out and is a stand so that you can stand your phone. But not only that, it's 360. Look, it moves, so you can have your phone this way, or you can have your phone this way, or you can have your phone this way. So cool. So, I mean, it's just amazing. It's awesome. Again, designed by Andobil. They make some of the best cell phone accessories, and this case is absolutely just awesome. Just one of the coolest cases you've ever seen. So as you can see, fits on the phone perfect. This specific one is for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and which is what I have. You can see it has all the features you'd want in a case. It's got that slightly raised bezel above the front, as well as a nicely raised bezel around the cameras to protect them. You've got little thicker corners to protect against drops. You've got all the cutouts that you would need for charging. You've got nice little contrasting button. You can see nice little contrasting button covers, and allow you to use your volume control and everything just like you normally would. Nice cutout for your silent switch, so easy to get that. So everything, I mean, as a case, it is an excellent case. But then you've got this feature. Now this is specifically the matte case. So it is like a clear matte finish. Not going to show any fingerprints. That's one of the advantages of matte cases, is they do not show fingerprints. But you can see the logo of the iPhone through the MagSafe ring, which is kind of cool. But again, most importantly, fully MagSafe. You've got both the ring and the little divot magnet here. So fully MagSafe compatible. So whether you're putting this on a MagSafe stand, or you're using a MagSafe mount such as this one, look at that. MagSafe mount, it's not going to come off. Not going to come off at all. It's super strong magnets. So no worries at all about that coming out of your stand until you want it to. But then besides that, you've got this magnetic ring, so you could take your phone and you're doing recipes in your kitchen and you stick this on your microwave so that you can see your recipe while you're working in the kitchen. Or if you want to, you can just use the stand and put it on the counter. I mean, you've got so many options with this, and that's what I love about this. I love using this at work. I like to just prop my phone up. I don't need to charge my phone at work, so I just like to use the stand, though, to keep it so that I can always see if I get a notification, I can see it pop up, which is great. And the fact that this rotates so that you can put it like this. If you're flying, you can stick it in horizontal so that you can watch a movie. And the stand is strong, so even if you got it on the stand and you're using your phone and tapping and stuff, the stand holds the phone in place, no worries there. If you wanted it at a different angle, you could always just put it like that, and now use it at that angle instead of the more up angle. And if you want it horizontal, you can use it horizontal like that, or you can use it horizontal like that. So it's so versatile. The fact that stand, it has a built-in stand, and look at that. It doesn't make the case any thicker. It's just a tiny, barely above the back of the case, but goes in and out of your pocket without any issues. So the fact that they were able to do that without having this big hinge, just really super cool ring. And then the fact that it's a magnet that will stick to metal or anything that a magnet would stick to, so you can just stick your phone on something without having to have anything additional. And then on top of that, that it is a 360 stand that can be used in any angle, in any position. Just a really, really cool case from Andobil. If you are looking for a case for your iPhone 14 Pro Max, this is absolutely the best case you can get right now. There's not a better case. You're not going to find a case that has any more functionality. This has everything you could imagine. Completely Magsafe compatible, offers the protection that you want, looks good, and then has that 360 stand. Really another amazingly awesome product from Andobil, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this video. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you know anyone might be interested, share the video with them. If you have any questions, post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.